Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the water filter inlet line in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Shut off the water supply as well. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, first open the freezer drawer and pull the base grill forward to remove. Next, use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to rotate the brake feet counterclockwise to raise them. You can now roll the appliance forward. Depress the water filter cover to release it, then rotate the filter counterclockwise to remove. Using a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the water reservoir access panel. Pull the panel down, using a flathead screwdriver to help detach the mounting posts. Disconnect the LED light wire connector and set the panel aside. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the inlet water line from the water filter housing port. Use the 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Depress the retaining ring to release the filter inlet line from the inlet valve port. Unthread the screws securing the inlet line to the rear panel and remove the retainer. Peel back the tape as necessary. Remove the insulating block, and you can fully remove the old filter inlet line. Install the new water filter inlet line by inserting the end with the 90-degree connector through the slot near the top of the appliance. Replace the insulating block. Secure the line with the tape as required. Align the retainer on the new water line and thread the screw to secure it to the rear panel. Insert the straight end of the line into the valve port until fully seated. Reinstall the access panel. Returning to the front of the appliance, fully insert the inlet line into the water filter housing port. Reinstall the water reservoir access panel by first connecting the LED light wire connector. Insert the 3 tabs at the back into the slots, then snap the mounting posts into place. Rethread the screws. Reinstall the water filter and close the cover. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs until they are in contact with the floor. Replace the base grill by aligning the ends of the grill with the leveling assemblies, then snap the grill into place. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your refrigerator should be ready for use.